Hello friends, in this video we shall learn about Excel count functions. So I have the file, and here you can see there are numbers in these cells. So what we want to check here, what does the count function do? In a given range, it will count how many in that range contain numbers. So here we could give the formula is equals to count, and here in brackets we have to give the range of cells where we want to look. So here it is from B4 to B13, B4 to B13. Close the brackets and press enter. So here you can see it will give me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 cells contain numbers. Okay, so now then we'll see the count a function. In a given range, what does a count a function do? In a given range, it will count the range of cells that are not empty. Okay, so let's say here I make two cells empty. I delete this, and here I delete this, and here we'll try the count a function. Count a, and here again we will give this range B4 to B13. Close the brackets and press enter. So there are 8 cells which are not empty, that is the count a function. And then we will look at the count blank function. In a given what does a count blank function do? In a given range, it will count number of cells that are empty. So here we will given is equals to count blank, and here again we will give this range. So here we'll give the range of cells. B13, close the brackets, 2. So it's showing 2 cells that are empty. That is a count blank function. And we'll try here also. Here we have numbers in these cells. So we'll try the count function here. It's equals to count. Let's mark this. It's from D6 to F15. So it's showing me 30 cells that have numbers. Now if I delete some of these, and we'll try the count a function. Count a brackets, and we'll select the data. So it is showing me, and in this range of cells there are 25 cells that are not empty. And we'll try the count blank function. We'll give the range. Sure. So it is showing me that there are in this range there are 5 cells which are empty. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks a lot for watching.